If you are using Chrome on your Mac and suddenly see this site can't be reached, don't worry, your internet is probably fine, your Mac is fine, and this issue is actually super common. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it in just a few minutes. First, let's try the simplest fix, because honestly this solves the issue most of the time. Completely quit Chrome using Command plus Q. Now click on the Apple menu and restart your Mac. Click Restart to confirm. After restarting the Mac, open Chrome again and try loading the website. If it works, great. If not, move to the next step. Sometimes Chrome stores a bad network record and keeps trying to use it. Here's how to reset it. Open Chrome browser. Now type this into the address bar. After that, click Clear Host Cache. Now open the new window in the Chrome browser and go to this address. Click Flush Socket Poles. After that, close Chrome and reopen it. So guys, if the issue keeps happening, set a stable DNS manually. For that, click on the Apple menu at the top left corner and go to System Settings. Click on Network, Wi-Fi, Details, and click DNS. Here, remove old entires and add this DNS server. After that, click OK and apply. This gives you a faster and more reliable connection. So guys, before blaming your Mac, check the site on your phone using mobile data. If it doesn't open there either, the website itself is down, not your system. That's it. One of these methods will definitely fix the "this site can't be reached" error on your Mac. If this helped you, drop a like, and if you are facing another tech issue, comment below. I'll help you solve it. Thanks for watching.